dryers are widely used in feed production to achieve the desired outlet moisture percentage. This process involves passing the feed through multiple zones where it is exposed to hot air. Plants typically adjust the feed depth, dryer speed, and zone temperatures to achieve the desired outlet moisture. Steam serves as the heating medium in the dryer, elevating the air temperature as needed, typically ranging from 60 to 130 degrees, depending on the feed type. Steam supplied to each zone is regulated using an on-off valve. Flowed, thermodynamic, or inverted bucket-type steam traps are used to evacuate condensate from the dryer. Sometimes a single trap is used to evacuate condensate from 2 or more zones. Some common issues that feed plants face across dryers: fluctuating process temperature, product moisture variations, higher steam consumption, dryer coil failure, poor condensate recovery. Temperature overshoots in each zone due to on-off controls and excessive steam pressure leads to uneven drying and variations in feed outlet moisture. Overdrying results in a decrease in gross product weight and higher energy consumption, while underdrying impacts shelf life and causes product spoilage. Condensate evacuation issues in the dryer due to group trapping and incorrect steam trap selection lead to water hammer and dryer coil failures, as well as non-attainment of desired process temperatures, leading to underdrying or lower dryer throughput. The holistic solution from Forbes Marshall encompasses supply steam pressure optimization, automatic control of zone-wise dryer set points based on feedback from the product outlet moisture sensor, effective condensate evacuation, complete condensate and flash steam recovery. Our solution delivers consistent outlet moisture, faster drying rates, no losses in gross product weight, energy savings,